Alright, so this is a toolbox I got at a auction. I had not intended to buy it, but it sold for $7 and I couldn't pass that up. You can kind of see on here it's a couple of shades of green. Looks like it was very dark before and it's been painted over with like an olive green. There were tons of old military boxes and stuff there, so I believe this is one. You can see a little bit of yellow there. There was some kind of words, and on the side here you can kind of see where they had written a number. And on this side it's more obvious. It's like 6910. So I believe this was an old military box that then was repurposed. Alright, so let's dig into what's in here. So it looks like the old standard Craftsman style, but it's got a latch in the middle and then this padlock on the side. This could have been after, but this latch is original, and it's got the multiple colors on there. So oops, sorry. Alright, inside it's got a tray that is in that original darker green color. On the inside it's kind of got a wrinkle finish. Kind of hard to tell, but alright, let's see what's in here. Okay, first off we got a corn knife. A weird black device. I'm sure it's a puller of some kind. You would pull something off. These kind of look like ring pliers, like to clamp those little rings down, but it's a really tiny pair. This one open, but it appears to be feeler gauges. And then we've got an oval tire gauge. Huh. That's like aluminum or something. It's got down to 3 psi and up to 50. Alright, then we have another large air gauge. It says Dill on it. It's got a recalibration screw in the middle. It goes from 0 to 130. So, probably very nice back in the day. We've got a pocket protector. Ready Check pocket protector, and then a Chaslin antifreeze tester. So pretty neat. Alright, we have another very large air gauge. This one goes from 10 to 150. Double-sided, so you can check like double wheels. Alright, I've got one of these wooden tape measures. Looks like it's broken though on that end. It's a Lufkin extension rule number X46. then we've got it's like a pipe expansion. I forget what you call them. But you put pipe in there, like the soft brass pipe, and then this, a flare. Yeah, it's a flare tool. So the pipe goes in there, this goes over, and tightens down, flares out in the little hole there. And it has, this one kind of looks like maybe it went to it. Maybe, it's just a little wide. So, looks like they would both work on it. And then Midland safety goggles. So a very old pair of safety glasses. A little chipped up and all used. Alright, we'll move this tray out of the way. See what's in the bottom. Okay. Oh, well. This is a compression tester. So it's got one end on it that looks like they remove it with this little clamp. And then up here, we have the tester itself. It's a US gauge. Something's been on the bag and ground off. Pressure relief right there. So, pretty neat. Alright. We have a hacksaw. NTD is what it says there. Let's see what it says there. Northeast Tool and Die Works, Kansas City, Missouri. So that's pretty neat. So that's kind of a local piece. Then it's got a star blade on it. So that's really neat. Alright. We got some stones. They look pretty tore up. Alright. I think that's one of those PTO adapters for tractor. It says forged increaser Orscheln 1 1/8 to 1 3/8. Maybe just as an adapter for the size. And then we've got a piece of chain. Alright, what else is in here? Alright, a weird syringe. Maybe this would be, thought it would be to suck fluids out. Yeah, that's probably what it is. Or to insert fluids. Either one. I don't see any markings on it. And then at the bottom, I think that's it. We've got numbers. 2-inch numbers. Go through 8 there. And this has a variety, maybe has some letters in there too. So for $7, not bad. I think the hacksaw is probably my favorite. You can always use another corn knife. Lots of air gauges, so I won't be short on those anytime soon. And the toolbox neat. It's that neat old traditional style. So anyway, thanks for watching.